Hello guys, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can download a Pinterest video. So as you can see, we already landed in a pinterest.com and now we need to select a video from that place. Like we can search here aesthetic video. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will find out various simple video from that place. Just click on some of them and just copy their link. Click over here in the next to the like button and just copy link. Hit the copy link button. Once you hit the copy link button, you will link copied. So now you need to be visit in third party website. Its name is pinterestdownloader.com. Once you visit that palace, you will have option this kind of a form. Just paste your link here. Once you paste the link, just hit the download button. Once you hit the download button, it will take a while and it will give you the option to download the video, and the process is really simple. So I hope this video will help you, and if you have any question, just comment below and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.